Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Mike, aka Scarfinger, aka PTCAC representative, and I'm back. It's been a long time, really, since I've really gotten to a painting, and I wanted to kind of ease my way back into it, and I'm doing something a little bit different this time. I'm actually doing something for myself, which is weird to say because I rarely make anything specifically for me, but this is going to be the first in a series of paintings that I'm going to make for myself. So I'm making some paintings for my bedroom. I'm also going to be making a larger painting for my living room and a few other things. So that's coming soon. But I'm starting on a series of paintings for my bedroom, and they are rather large. This canvas is a 16 by 12, I believe. 12 by 16. No, it's 16 by 20. I'm sorry, I'm tripping. But I am going to make this painting, and I'm going to freestyle it. This is going to be a clean pour. There'll possibly be some puddles. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to label it. I'm just going to freestyle it and try to see what I can come up with. Maybe a finger swipe or two. Who knows? We're just going to make this up as we go. So the colors that I'm using, because I'm making this for myself, I figured I didn't need like the best paint ever. So I went back to craft paint. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I grabbed some large bottles of Anita's, and this is Anita's Baby Blue, Anita's Rainy Day Gray, some white. It's just white. It's not even like titanium white or something like the other ones say. It's just white. And some metallic sapphire. Now I was gonna go with just a regular color blue, like I did regular colors for everything. That's the only one that's metallic, but I like that shade of blue a lot better for what I'm trying to do here. But then I also wanted to do something else with it, so I made 2 cups of the sapphire metallic blue, and I kind of darkened one of them by adding some of this apple barrel Admiral blue into it. So I am going to kind of get myself straight. This first time in a while, trying to ease back into it, and we're gonna do this painting. Holla at your boy. We're about to get this popping. had fun with this one. I don't know how it's going to present when everything is dry and the metallics come through and everything, but I really like it. I think it was a good start for my bedroom project. So let's go here. It's very swirly, and I was going for the swirl when I wanted to do this, but I did get some cells, but for some reason all of the cells are kind of like right there. I don't know exactly why that happened, and like right, like the top part or bottom part to me, but the top part to you. I love the swirlies, and it's just, it's interesting. Trying to make it work with the colors that I used was kind of difficult, especially with the different blues, but I think it all came out pretty well. Let me know what you think. I'm not a huge fan of the white. As y'all could probably see, I did try to pour some more blue in here, but it kind of sunk into the white, kind of making more white. But all in all, I enjoyed this, and just come back, check out your boy when I make the rest of them. Check out the Facebook, facebook.com/BTCAC. I'm out of here. Peace.